Hi, this video is to show you how to use lagged data in Stata to create both lagged variables and also differences between a current variable and its lagged value. So what I have open is the data on unemployment and retail sales for the US economy that you're going to use in the last problem set. And so as you can see, this is monthly data. So I have to look at the date, right? It's January, February, March, blah, blah, blah. These are the number for retail sales, and this is the number for unemployment. All of these are not seasonally adjusted. So one thing I want to highlight is that the date variable, when I click on it, the format is %TD. That means that Stata is reading this as a date variable. So if I sort by date, then this all should be organized. It already was, so the sorting won't change, but we can just confirm that by hitting browse and looking at the data. Okay. So let's create a 1 period lag. Let's do unemployment because that's the smaller number, so it will be easier to look at. So here's what I have. So let's create a 1 period lag rate NSA. So you can call this, whatever you want. I usually put _L and then the number to indicate the lags. So what you want to next do is type the variable that you want to lag. So UN rate NSA, and then put a bracket _N-1 close bracket. So basically this is pulling the unemployment rate from the previous line. Okay. So hit browse and you can just make sure that this has done what you want it to do. So, right, this is now assigning to February the value from January. And it's assigning to March the value from February, to April the value from March, etc. Right? So essentially this column is being shifted down. So now let's create a 2 period lag. So I'm just going to click on this. Let's have this be a 2 period lag. N-2, browse, right? And so now March is being assigned the value for January, right? April is being assigned the value for February, etc. So now that you understand that, right, you can take this out to as many lags as you want. It's pretty straightforward. You could do the same thing for retail sales, right? And again, it's important to sort the data by the date variable or time variable before you do these lags.